Horn's Supermini system is the most precise, repeatable, and durable internal machining tool on the market. Let's find out why. One of Supermini's most recognizable features is its patented teardrop shank design. This design allows the insert to contact the holder in 3 locations, which reduces deflection, resists torsion, and always stays on center. The teardrop shape prevents the insert from being installed incorrectly, which simplifies setup, removes opportunities for error, and reduces downtime. Unlike a typical set screw, this design has a precision ball attached to the end with a machine face. That guarantees consistent clamping forces regardless of rotational position. This feature, combined with the teardrop shank, creates an incredibly strong and precise interface. Although the system is very durable, we recommend replacing your screws if you encounter irregular tool life, centerline issues, or physical damage to the screw. If you're not achieving desired results with your Supermini, most of the time a new screw will fix these issues. We recommend periodically checking your screws for signs of wear to ensure optimal performance. We recently introduced a new holder design called the Supermini Face Clamp, which uses wedge clamps to secure the insert from the front of the holder, allowing users to swap inserts even when space is limited. This is especially convenient for Swiss machines where users can't access a normal holder set screw, requiring the entire holder to be removed. The face clamp design is incredibly rigid and provides an even higher clamping force than the standard holder. Since the 105 Supermini system comes in 3 sizes of blank, we offer 3 sizes of face clamps. When ordering a face clamp holder, look at the part number to see which clamp is included. For holders ending SO3, SO4, or SO5, the corresponding clamp is included. If purchasing a holder that ends in S.set, all 3 clamps will be included. We recommend having all 3 sizes so you're ready to utilize the entire range that the Supermini has to offer. To learn more about the full lineup of Supermini tools and which one is right for you, visit our website or contact your local Horn sales rep. And if you're enjoying these videos, remember to like and subscribe to the Horn USA channel.